Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. The first $1,200 stimulus checks have already gone out, but a lot of people are still waiting on theirs. That doesn't mean there's something wrong, although there could be. Here are 5 reasons you may not have gotten your stimulus check yet, and what, if anything, you can do to speed up its delivery. Number 1, you don't qualify. One possible reason you haven't gotten your check is because you don't meet the qualifications. Individuals earning less than $75,000, head of household earning less than $112,500, and married couples earning less than $150,000 are eligible for the full amount. If your adjusted gross income is higher than this, you may qualify for a reduced credit, but this phased out at $99,000 for single adults, $136,500 for head of household, and $198,000 for married couples. If your income was over the upper threshold for your tax filing status on your last tax return, you will not qualify for a stimulus check at all. Number 2, the IRS doesn't have your bank account information. If you're sure you qualify for a stimulus check, but you have not received it, the IRS may not have your bank account information to direct deposit the funds. You can verify that by entering your information into the IRS Get My Payment tool. It will prompt you to enter your routing and account number, where you want the money delivered. It will take a little longer to get your money if you have to enter your bank account information. But when the IRS has a payment date for you, it will show up in the Get My Payment tool. When the IRS doesn't have bank account information for you and you don't enter it, your check will be mailed to you at your last known address, and that can take several weeks. Verify that the IRS knows where you direct deposit your funds if you want to receive your money quickly as possible. Number 3, the money went to an old bank account. If you recently closed a bank account, it's possible the IRS never got the memo and sent the money there instead of to your new bank account. If that happens, the money goes back to the IRS and you end up on the list of people scheduled to receive a paper stimulus check, unless you enter your new bank account information online. Individuals with bank accounts or multiple accounts should check all of them to see if their stimulus check was delivered to a different account than the one they were anticipating. Married couples should also check both partners' accounts, if they have separate ones, to see if the stimulus checks have been delivered. Number 4, you didn't file taxes in 2018-2019. You're not required to file taxes if your income was at or below the standard deduction for your tax filing status for the year. $12,200 for single adults, $18,350 for head of household, and $24,400 for married couples in 2019. But these individuals should still qualify for stimulus checks. They just have to jump through a few extra hoops because the government can't verify their income from a tax return. Number 5, your income is close to the top of the range for your tax filing status. The U.S. Treasury has stated that stimulus checks are going out to individuals with the lowest incomes first, to ensure that those hardest hit by the pandemic get the assistance they need. If your income is close to the limit for tax filing status, which we talked about earlier, $75,000 for single individuals, $112,500 for head of household, and then $150,000 for married couples, you may have to wait a little longer simply because you make a little more money and the government believes you can get by a little longer without assistance. There's no need to panic. if you haven't gotten your stimulus check yet. That doesn't mean the government's forgotten you. Check the status of your payment on the IRS website and enter your bank account information if you need to, so you can get the money direct deposited into your account. Well, all right, guys, those are the 5 possible reasons you haven't gotten your stimulus check. Now, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box of the video so you can go to that IRS website to check the status of your check. Drop me some comments. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know who's received their checks and let me know who's still waiting. And again, don't forget that link in the description box of the video. You can go to the IRS website and check your status. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, and smash that like button. It helps the channel and it helps me too. Thoughts become things. Those who can see it in your mind can hold it in their hands. Keep chasing your greatness, guys. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.